everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this new Shopkins Kinstructions. So let's start.
Go.
So now I have my scissors and now I will be cutting this part.
Go.
Now I will remove this. Now just gonna just open.
Go.
Ooh, we have this beautiful pink surprise, and I don't know what's inside here. And we have this handle thingy over here, and another cloud. And let's see what's inside this package. Ooh, we have this cutie pie. We have our
Go.
So we have our little doll here. And now we have her body. This is her body. Next, I have her shoe. This is a mini shoe. Next, this is her dress. It's turquoise colored, and we'll see at the last how to. And we have the collector's guide, and I think we needed one more shoe. Where's another shoe? I will search for that later. And so we got Jessie Cake. So she's just Jessie Cake, and it says she loves cherry cake and cocoa cupcake. They're her best friends. And now let's put her body inside.
Go.
So this is my doll. I have put her body in, and now she's going to wear her turquoise blue dress. So I have this, so just gonna put her hands inside. Now I put her turquoise dress on, and she is looking really cute. Now she is going to wear her her shoes. So just gonna her to wear shoes. So this is Jessie Cake. So this is how she looks. She has blue hair, and this is her face. She's really cute with her face, and she has this turquoise blue colored dress and her purple shoes. So this is how it looks. Now,
Go.
So we had this handle, blue color handle over here, and I have sticked it here. So we have two holes, and I have stick the blue handle inside. And now, then this is a sticker, I guess. So it's not the collector guide. So just gonna get it out. Okay. So got it out. So I'm just gonna stick it on. Now I'm gonna put our Jessie Cake inside over here. Next, I'm just gonna put this inside. Just gonna close it. Okay. Now we're gonna stick our Jessie Cake sticker. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stick it here. Oh, that's not sticking well. So I have this, and now just gonna stick the sticker again. Just try. I'm really bad at sticking stickers, guys, and that's why I don't like sticking stickers. Okay, so I've sticked it here, Shopkins Jessie Cake. So wow, it looks really beautiful. And we have our Jessie Cake inside, and you could carry wherever you go. That's why we got this handle here. And we have even stick this Jessie Cake Shopkins Shoppies Jessie Cake sticker over here. So I think we should end this video now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and even press the notification bell so that you can get all the notifications I send to you. So that's it for today's video, guys. Bye bye.